The willingness to listen, the patience to understand, the strength to support, and the heart to care and trust to be there, that is the beauty of women. Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies who always feel proud and special to be a woman.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the Riva classes. Every Sunday you all get a Sunday special class, but today's class is not only Sunday special but also International Women's Day special. Tomorrow is the 8th of March and every year 8th of March is celebrated as International Women's Day. It is a day when world celebrate women's numerous achievements. So Riva classes wishes a very happy International Women's Day to all the amazing and incredible women. Today's video is all about those inspiring women who inspired the world. So let's get started. Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs of India, India's second female defense minister and also the second female finance minister after Indira Gandhi, and first full-time female finance minister. Forbes magazine has ranked her 41st among the 100 most powerful women in the world. Roshni Nadar Malhotra, an Indian businesswoman, the chairperson of SCL Technologies, and first woman to lead a listed IT company in India. In 2020, she is ranked 55th on the Forbes World's 100 Most Powerful Women list. As per IIFL Wealth Huron Indian Rich List 2019, Nadar is the richest woman in India. Kiran Majumdar Shaw. She is an Indian billionaire entrepreneur. She is the chairperson and managing director of Biocon Limited, a biotechnology company based in Bangalore. In 2019, she is listed as the 68th most powerful women in the world by Forbes. Emmanuelle Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna. Emmanuelle Charpentier, she is a French professor and researcher in microbiology, genetics and biochemistry. Jennifer, American biochemist of the University of California, Berkeley. Both were awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2020 for the development of a method for genome editing. This was the first science Nobel ever won by two women alone. Kamala Harris, 49th Vice President of United States of America. She is the US first female Vice President, the highest ranking female official in US history, and the first African American and first Asian American Vice President. Mary Kom. She is the only women boxer who has won a medal in each of the 6 World Championships. She was the only Indian women boxer who qualified for the 2012 Olympics and became the first Indian women boxer to win a gold medal in Asian Games in 2014.
Kiran Bedi. She was the first female IPS officer and started her service in 1972. She remained in service for 35 years before taking voluntary retirement in 2007 as Director General, Bureau of Police Research and Development. Fatima Bibi. Fatima Bibi is the former judge of the Supreme Court of India. She became the first female judge to be a part of the Supreme Court of India in 1989, the first Muslim woman to be appointed to any of the higher judiciaries in the country. Manya Singh. Manya Singh, the runner-up of Miss India 2020. She is daughter of an auto rickshaw driver coming from a humble background. Many had to struggle hard for a better future. Even though she didn't win the crown, her story is awe-inspiring to many. Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj is an Indian cricketer and Test OID captain of Women's National Cricket Team. She was the first woman to score a double hundred in a Test cricket. She was the first to achieve this landmark in the world. When there is a woman, there is a magic. Best example is Zoya Agarwal. Zoya Agarwal, youngest Indian pilot who recently touched another milestone by commanding an all-women's crew in one of the world's largest flight hall from San Francisco to Bangalore across North. Hima Das. Hima Das is an Indian sprinter from the state of Assam. She is the first Indian athlete to win a gold medal in a track event at the IAAF World U20 Championship. Recently, she was appointed as a Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP in Assam Police. So this is it for today's session. Hope this video helped you a lot. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.